Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whosoever swears an oath in order to misappropriate any Muslim's riches will meet Allah Jalla Jalaluhu in a state that He Jalla Jalaluhu will be annoyed with him." So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed this verse in its connection. Those who accept mean price in exchange of their covenant with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and their oaths, they have no portion in the hereafter. Abu Wail states that Hazrat Ash'as bin Qais came and said, "Which hadith has Abu Abdurrahman narrated to you?" We told him that he had told us this and that, whereupon he said, "This verse has been revealed about me. A well was on the land of my cousin, which caused a dispute. The Prophet ﷺ said to me, 'Bring a witness or he will swear an oath.' I submitted, 'O Allah's Apostle ﷺ, he will take an oath.' Whereupon the Prophet ﷺ said, 'Whosoever takes an oath to misappropriate a Muslim's property, whereas his claim is false, will meet Allah Jalla Jalaluhu in a state that He Jalla Jalaluhu will be displeased with him.'" Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4549 and 4550.